Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, welcome to another new chapter of today, that is chapter number 18, Eminent Personalities of India. In this chapter you can see various faces given over here. They are the eminent people of our country. We admire them with special names, and hence by those names what we had given, we will write their names by identifying the pictures. Like for suppose they have given this picture, we all know he is known as the father of nation. And what is the name of the person? He is M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or you can also write Mahatma Gandhi. So this way we will see all the pictures, we will read this thing and then we will answer. Well, the first picture is of Mahatma Gandhi and he is known as the father of the nation. Now this is a picture of a person who is known as the Iron Man of India, and he is Sardar V. Patel or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next is the picture of the person who is known as the Man of Peace, and he is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Fourth picture is of Bangabandhu and he is known as the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Then let's move to the next picture. The sixth person is known as Lok Nayak and he is recognized as Jai Prakash Narayan. The next is the picture of Rajshri and he is known as P.D. Tandon. Next we have Ajat Shatru and he is who? Mr. or you can call Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next we have the Missile Man of India and we all know him very well. He is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So these are the various famous eminent personalities of our country, India. Let's now read the Your Answer Please and the quick fact given in this chapter. The Your Answer Please says that have you ever wondered why some eminent personalities of India fought for India? क्यों लड़े ये अपने देश के लिए? Then next is, do you also feel inspired to do something for India? इन सबको देख के, इनके बारे में सुन के, क्या आपको भी ये फीलिंग होती है कि आपको भी कुछ करना चाहिए इंडिया के लिए? So think about it and write the answer for the same. Then let's read the quick fact. The quick fact says that Lal Bahadur Shastri was the first person honored with a Bharat Ratna posthumously. So this is all about the chapter. Very interesting chapter, and you should know, you should recognize the famous of these eminent personality. I hope you have understood. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.